Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to fix the leaky hose reels. These are brand new from Harbor Freight, out of the box, and they leak. Both of them. Let's go ahead and turn the air on and show you what I mean. You can already hear them. They leak right here. Actually, this one ain't too bad. But there's an O-ring in the inside of this. We're gonna take it apart and I'll show you how to repair this. Let me show you the other one. Here's the other one. Yeah. We'll disconnect the fitting and then you just unscrew this from here, take off this snap ring, and this will come out and you can change the O-rings. See, there's a snap ring right there. Take that off. This will slide out and the two O-rings. Let me show you. I went ahead and pulled the snap ring off. Fits in that groove right there. We'll just wiggle this out. See, normally those O-rings will go bad. This one actually looks like it has a flat spot in the back here. I'll put it back together and see if it was just sitting wrong. And if it still leaks, then I'll go get another O-ring. Hopefully it fixes it. If not, then I'll have to return it, which I'm not really looking forward to pulling all this back down and driving 40 minutes to go swap it out. So after further investigating, I found that it's leaking right here, not here. So the older ones, like I said, if you're leaking up here, you can change out that O-ring and it'll correct it for you. Harbor Freight don't like to tighten their fittings. This is loose. So I'm gonna get a wrench out and tighten that back up and we'll see if it leaks anymore. Oh, that was it. Fixed it. So I don't have to go to the store and get O-rings or anything, but remember, if yours is leaking, check right here. If it's an older one or even a new one, pull it apart like I showed you and double check those O-rings. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check out my other videos for more content.